I think you will see a few things happen. The market will open up. We will see more IPOs. We will see more exits. We will see more money in the market. Many more senior people from companies will leave and want to start startups because next year is going to be a big boom year. In terms of media, we will not see traditional media go away. Even now, radio is relevant, and even now, newspapers are relevant. But newspapers are not what they used to be. Television isn't what it used to be. Today, we have about 110 million TV sets, but we have 280 million internet connections in India. By next year, there will be far more people on digital and data than they will be in front of the TV at any given point in time. So media spends will change to be able to represent that. But it's not just media spends. Today, a lot of the winning companies, whether it's a Zara in fashion or Red Bull in energy drinks, or whether it's Facebook or a Google or a Twitter or a Starbucks, these are companies that grow to leadership without any traditional advertising spend at all. Right? So you will find a lot more companies looking at themselves saying, how do I re-engineer my business, my core business, to really have a remark-worthy product that can spread like wildfire in a digital environment. You're going to see a lot of that happen.